All right, guys. Well, we got a quick little video about the head studs. I'm back on cleaning a little bit. Let me... and I found out something crazy cool. The piece that went here was an oil filter. I guess these cars didn't come with one. Pretty crazy. So I took the ends that bolt there off the actual filter so you can figure out what size it is, the threads, and order one. But got these. Bobby did the fronts, bolt holes, chasing the threads. So I got about 5 done so far on the middle row. I'm gonna do the back ones real quick, and then I'll get to the ones on the front. Also gonna clean the cylinders. A little bit of coolant got down there, so we'll get them cleaned up. Get a little WD-40 on the walls there, so they'll be just fine. Yeah, that's what I'm working on. Monday fun day. Right. But all right, guys. Well, that's a quick little update. I'm gonna get the back 4 there, and then I'll get the ones close to the intake or exhaust manifold. Intake, exhaust. One of them. And then I'll clean the deck again. Clean everything off, and then I'll clean the cylinders real quick. Make them nice and brand new. Okay, not brand new, but that's machine shop work. But I'll get them cleaned up. Later, guys.
Burns. I see you're unthreading.
You gotta bring some of the junk back to the surface.
You like junk on your surface?
Oh, if she's cute.
Ooh, daddy. All right. So, continuing to chase threads.
Oh, I already did a video on that.
Cleaning deck. I know you already said you got a video, but I'm doing more. I'm adding to your video.
Okay, feel that.
Ooh, you feel how tight it is? Ooh, that's sketchy.
I've already done the back 4 thing.
Where's the thing? I know. I mean, we gotta get through because the studs have to go in there. I think it's just really fighting the shit out of it because a lot of these were a little chintzy. So,
Towards the back?
Yeah, let me try this with both hands and we'll discuss. Alright, it's working. Just gotta work our way through the chonkies. Someone definitely had the studs out at one other point, as we saw with our video of the studs themselves. So we're gonna put all nice new studs. This is nasty, but yeah, it's going now.
Okay.